How to add NGL link to your Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add NGL link to your Instagram story. So first of all you have to do is just simply download the NGL application in your mobile device, and once you will download the application it will look something like this. So in order to get started, all you have to do is just simply click on get started, and after that just simply select your date of birth, and then you have to select the social media platform for which you are using this application. So I have already selected Instagram. Click on continue. Now you have to mention your username. Now just simply click on continue, and after that you can see that there are some paid feature that you can add if you want to. I'm going to skip it for now. You can skip it too if you don't want any advanced features as of now. And after that, you can go ahead and choose your profile picture for NGL. I'm going to skip this as well. And your profile is set up perfectly. And after that, all you have to do in order to use NGL link to your Instagram story, first of all, you need to copy this particular link. And as soon as this link is copied, now just simply click on next step, and it will show you how, what are the steps that you need to follow, and click on next again. And then you have to paste this link over here. Now you have to simply open your Instagram. Now all you have to do is just simply click on this particular icon right here. And over here, click on links and paste the link that you have just copied. And after that, click on done. And once this is done, just simply drag and drop this over here. And once this is done, you can click on share on your story. And now this is done. So this is basically how you will be able to use NGL link on Instagram.